Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Sunday morning. Robert and I have already done our shopping, and I'm actually in the middle of making breakfast. It's a rarity, very rare that I cook breakfast. I do breakfast for dinner, but not Sunday morning breakfast. Let me show you what I got going on here. Over here, I'm doing a 4-egg scramble. Got a little bit of spices. I'm going to add a little bit of heavy cream to the eggs. I've already cooked off my sausage. We'll have a couple cheeses going in, some shrooms, some red onion. Actually, the red onion and the bell pepper are going for the O'Brien's, and the eggs are going to have already cooked off the bacon. So that's what I've got going on this morning. Last night, I took a drunken noodle recipe and made it my own. It was wonderful. It was great. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yes. And tonight, I'm doing Cowboy stew. And that basically is ground beef, onion, garlic, some smoked sausage, bacon, of course, some potatoes, kidney beans, black beans, some corn, diced tomatoes, some beef stock, some cumin, some smoked paprika, salt, pepper, and some cheddar cheese for the top. Good hearty meal for watching the third and fourth quarter of the Super Bowl, I guess. I don't know. I barely know what time the game starts. So, I have no me cooking snacks for the Super Bowl. We stocked up on just junk food. Yeah. So, enjoy your Sunday, eat great food, and have fun cooking.
Phenomena.